Hi everyone, so my nephew has a 3D printer at home and I asked him if he could print out some Pokemon for me, and this is what he has done for me so far. Here is my Dragonite with a, I guess a handbag shoulder thing for mail delivery in the cartoon. I love this Dragonite one. So you print the 3D and then you just buy the paint and you paint it on. And this is my Charizard right here. And this is my Blissey with an egg, the nurse version. And of course, this is Mew. If you have a 3D printer, there's a website, I forgot the name, where people have created the 3D print model, and you just download it down and then you print it at home. It takes a while to print the 3D model, but if you have a 3D printer, you can just download that assets and print it at home. I've asked him to print, I forgot the Pokemon, the sleepy one. But I think it's harder to print that one than these. But this is my favorite here, the Dragonite. If you have a 3D printer, download the asset and print this. You love it. Pogo, Pogo. Years ago, Chauncey's used to be one of my favorite Pokemon. Blissey also. And of course, Mew. Forgot to ask him to use pink for my Mew Pokemon. But I don't think he painted this yet. I don't think. So there's my 3D print models of Pokemon.